To make your text or images or even your product pop on screen, you might want to blur and darken your main footage just like this. From the edit page, go up and open up the effects library. Come down to the effects tab, and at the very top you will see adjustment clip. Drag it down to your main timeline. Then jump on over to the color page, and from the top left you will see adjustment clip. You will highlight that. From here, you're going to go down to your color wheels and make sure they are highlighted. And you're going to go over to the offset. Bring that down to as dark as you want your film to be. If you want, you can also make it black and white or darker by lowering the saturation. From there, we're going to go over and we're going to open up the effects tab in the node tree and bring down a Gaussian blur and put it on the same node. Now we're going to jump back to the edit page and highlight the adjustment clip. You see these white handles? You can adjust these handles to however long you want the fade in and the fade out to be based on the length of your video. So now wherever you place this adjustment clip, it's going to darken your image. You can put your text and images or product image on top of this, and then you're just good to go. And so now for next time, if you do not want to have to go and do this again, you can just take and drag the adjustment clip up to your power bins. Power bins are in the media pool, and under master, go in and just give it whatever name that you want. And then anytime you want to use this, you can just drag it on top of any video clip that you have, and will give you the dark and blur at any time. I hope you got some useful info from this, and if you would please like and subscribe so that you can get more of the latest tips and tricks from this and all DaVinci Resolve. So until next time, have a good day.